Hello students, I hope you all are fine and doing well. So today we are back with another video, and in this video we are going to discuss Unit 6th of Class 3rd English. So as we know that there is a poem and a prose, so in this video we will be discussing this poem. What is the title of the poem? Trains. What is the title? Trains. So have you ever traveled in trains? क्या आप कभी ट्रेन में गए हैं? I hope सभी कभी ना कभी तो ट्रेन में गए ही होंगे. Okay, so I hope you will find this poem very interesting. Now, who is the poet of this poem? James S. Trippitt. Who is the poem? Who is the poet? James S. Trippitt is the poet of this poem. Now, I hope you all can see a beautiful train over here. Okay? It is smiling as well. So, you all have to read and enjoy this poem with a very big smile. Okay? So, come on, let us start this poem. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. It means in this stanza, the poet wants to tell us, इस stanza में poet हमें क्या बता रहा है? कि ट्रेन कहां-कहां से होकर जाती है. The train passes through the mountains, the plains, the rivers, etc. Okay? Carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. It means carrying, कि क्या-क्या carry करती है trains? The trains carry passengers. Passengers means सवारियां जो ट्रेन में बैठकर जा रही हैं. They carry people from one place to another. They even carry mails. They carry parcels. They carry letters. And these are referred to as the precious loads. इन सभी चीजों को क्या कहा गया है? Precious loads कहा गया है. These are precious means very important because letters, parcels, ठीक है, ये सब चीजें, मेल्स, ये सब चीजें कितनी जरूरी होती हैं लोगों के लिए. तो ट्रेन्स क्या करती है? ट्रेन्स कैरी दीज थिंग्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ओके, इन विदाउट फेल. इन विदाउट फेल मीन्स विदाउट स्टॉपिंग और विदाउट एनी डिले. ओके, नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. It means thousands of freight cars. ये इतनी सारी freight cars. Freight cars means ये जो इंजन यहाँ पे लगे हुए हैं, ठीक है, इंजन के बाद जितने भी डब्बे लगे हुए हैं ट्रेन के, वो सब thousands of freight cars. Freight cars means those cars that carry people or goods from one place to another. They all rush on. पूरे दिन चलती रहती है ट्रेन्स. कभी एक ट्रेन आती है, कभी यहां से जाने वाली वहां पर, फिर कभी दूसरी जगह से तीसरी जगह जाने वाली ट्रेन. इट मीन्स द ट्रेन रश ऑन फॉरएवर थ्रू डे एंड डार्कनेस. थ्रू डे एंड डार्कनेस मीन्स सुबह से लेकर रात तक, शाम होने तक. थ्रू डस्क एंड डॉन. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डस्क एंड डॉन? डस्क इज द टाइम व्हेन द सन इज अबाउट टू सेट. डस्क वो टाइम होता है जब सन सेट होने वाला हो. एंड डॉन इज द टाइम when the sun is about to rise. Okay? Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Again, the first stanza is repeated over here, that whether it is day or night, the trains keep going. They keep rushing and keep carrying people and goods from one place to another. Okay? So I hope you all enjoyed the poem. So this poem was about railways, and children, you should remember that railways are one of the most important like mode of transport in our country. Okay, now let us talk about the new words. Mountains, passengers, rivers, precious, mail, plains, dusk and dawn. Okay, now let us talk about the question answers. Where do the trains run? The train runs over the mountains, plains and rivers. अभी हमने पढ़ा ये. What are the precious loads that they carry? What are the precious loads that are carried by the trains? क्या carry करती हैं trains अपने साथ? They carry people. It means they carry passengers. But what about the precious loads? They carry mails, letters, parcels and many more goods. Okay? When do the trains run? The trains run from day to night. It means they run from the dusk to the dawn. What is dusk and dawn? Dusk is the time when sun is about to set, and dawn is the time when the sun is about to rise. Now, talk time. Do you enjoy train rides? क्या आपको train rides पसंद हैं? क्या आप उन्हें enjoy करते हो? Yes, obviously. I hope सभी को train rides बहुत पसंद होंगी. If you had to travel over a long distance, how would you like to go and why? अगर आपको एक long distance पे जाना है तो आप कैसे जाना पसंद करोगे? I hope you all would like to go by a train, okay? Because it is very cheap and safe always. Okay? कि ट्रेन क्या होती है? cheap भी होती है, सस्ती भी होती है और इसके मतलब किराया भी इतना ज्यादा नहीं होता और safe भी होती है. So now next question is, if you had to spend the night on a train, what would you need to take with you? अगर आपको ट्रेन में एक पूरी रात बितानी है, सपोज करो आपको कहीं जाना है और उसके लिए आपको एक पूरी रात लगने वाली है, तो आप अपने साथ क्या-क्या चीजें कैरी करोगे? Obviously food, water bottle, okay, pillow and bed sheet, all these things you need to carry, even brush, comb, all these things. Draw and name the things you would need in this suitcase. वो सब चीजें आपको इस suitcase में डालनी है. तो this can be done by you people only. Now, this is describe an interesting train or bus journey you have taken. आपको क्या करना है? आपको जो भी एक इंटरेस्टिंग बस जर्नी या ट्रेन जर्नी आपने की हो उसके बारे में बताना है, या फिर कैसी जर्नी आप करना चाहते हैं. आपको 4 sentences लिखने हैं अपनी जर्नी के बारे में and you can use these following words. Okay? So I hope you would write it. For example, आपको दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे कि जैसे I went to the railway station with my father, then I see a lot of crowd over there. ठीक है, then we stepped into the bus. जैसे भी जो भी आप बताना चाहते हैं वो आप बता सकते हैं. Now next is word building. Okay, now sort out these different means of transport into correct groups. लोग लैंड पे जो चलते हैं उनके नाम यहाँ पे बताएंगे, एयर में जो मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है उनको यहाँ लिखेंगे और वाटर में जो है वो आप इन्हें यहाँ लिखेंगे. तो चलिए हम लोग लिखते हैं इन्हें. ओके, बस लैंड में आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट कार भी लैंड पे चलती है तो वील राइट इट इन दिस कॉलम. एरोप्लेन, okay, then ship, water, boat, water, train runs on railway lines and railway lines are on land. bicycle भी कहां पे चलती है? लैंड पे. okay, helicopter, नेक्स्ट इज ट्रक. यहां पे तो स्पेस खत्म हो गया, हम यहां लिख देंगे. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज स्टीमर वाटर में. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस. गिव मी सम डैश टू eat. क्या खाएंगे आप? Food या clothes? Obviously food. So our answer will be food. Play with me or great. Play with me. मेरे साथ खेलो. Swim across the river. River पे ही swim करेंगे ना हम लोग. Boat से थोड़ी swim कर पाएंगे. Let's get on the train. Okay? So this is paper fun activity. Okay, and then we have some words to say aloud. Mail, dawn, planes, fail, on, trains. So here we come to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the poem and understood the exercises as well. So we'll meet up with some other video some other day. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.